Salam everyone, Ramadan Kareem. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Lena. I would love for you guys to subscribe if you're not already. Today we are going to be making 3 different simple and healthy suhoor recipes. All of these recipes have all of the healthy fats, complex carbs, protein, fiber, everything you need to keep you full throughout the day during Ramadan. So I hope that you guys enjoy these recipes, and let's get started. My first recipe idea for you is overnight oats. If you don't know what overnight oats are, basically you mix old-fashioned rolled oats with Greek yogurt and almond milk and chia seeds into a container, and you leave that in the fridge overnight, and it becomes this really nice pudding-like creamy consistency. Chia seeds are perfect to add into your diet during Ramadan because they have lots of fiber and antioxidants and protein. I'm just sweetening mine with some pure maple syrup. You could use honey if you wanted to. I just shake it all up and leave it in the fridge, and it's the perfect meal to have pre-made in your fridge for suhoor. You can add whatever kind of toppings you want. I'm adding some mixed nuts and berries, but you could also add bananas or dried fruit or even some granola. I love adding cinnamon to this because it tastes super yummy and it also helps balance your blood sugar levels. My second idea for you is a protein smoothie, and to be honest, this is probably the meal that I eat the most for suhoor. I'm just adding frozen banana, frozen berries for some antioxidants, and I like adding nut butter like peanut butter or almond butter. The healthy fats in that is really going to help you feel full throughout the day. I'm also adding some flaxseed powder to add lots of fiber. I'm adding some protein powder and some almond milk, and I'm blending that in the blender, and it's just so delicious for suhoor. This smoothie has antioxidants, it has fiber, it has protein, and it has healthy fats to keep you full throughout the day. My last super easy, simple, delicious, healthy suhoor idea is avocado toast with eggs, and I love eating gluten-free toast. I can put the brands that I enjoy eating with 2 eggs. Today I'm making it sunny side up, but you could do scrambled, you could do just egg whites, you can do it however you like your eggs, and I'm just using a really beautiful avocado. I mash that up inside the avocado just to make it a little bit easier, and then I go ahead and place it on the bread. I'm sure you guys know how to make avocado toast, but the seasonings make all the difference. So I love using cumin and this Everything But the Bagel Sesame by Trader Joe's. You can get this off Amazon. Okay, how delicious does this look, you guys? I'm fasting right now, so this is making me super hungry. I'm just adding some black pepper on top. And okay, question, who else likes their eggs runny like this? My husband hates it, but I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I have another video coming very soon with healthy Ramadan desserts to keep you guys on track. So I hope that you guys enjoy. Please subscribe, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.